Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download Wrike on your device in just a few quick steps. So let's get started. First, open the App Store or Google Play Store. For me, I will open App Store. Within it, look for the search icon, which is usually situated at the bottom right corner. Then tap on it. Here you will see a search bar at the top of it. Within the search bar, type Wrike. Then click search. Now it will show different results based on the Wrike application. Please make sure to choose the official one or find the official one. Within it, you will see Get or Download option. Tap on the Get button. Also, please make sure to follow the on-screen instruction. Once done, it will begin to start downloading. The downloading process may take some time, so it depends based on the internet stability. Once the download is complete, tap on the open button. Now you can see that it is successfully downloaded in your device. You will be asked to sign in or create a new account if you don't have one yet. So after signing up, you are ready to explore Wrike and can create projects while assigning tasks as well as collaborating with your team right from the device quickly and easily. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.